Hello guys, welcome to Iman Chronicles. Today we are going to show you iPadOS 26 on the beautiful iPad Air M2 13-inch model. As you can see, Mac OS and iPadOS are coming closer to each other. I'm going to install this iPadOS 26. I went to the developer beta. As you can see here, iPadOS 26 is almost 14 GB size, guys. It's going to install the beta version, the first beta. Once installed, you will see a lot of new features, and by the way, iPadOS is getting closer and closer to Mac OS. So iPadOS will become a revolutionary device, almost like a Mac. Let's see whether iPad Air M2 13-inch can replace your Mac laptop. Let's see that. So right now it is update is requested. It's getting installed almost 14 GB. Depending on your internet speed, it's going to install it and will reboot once or twice your iPad Air M2 13-inch model. Okay guys, it's rebooted and you can see the current version is showing as iPadOS 26. Guys, initial observation, as you can see the translucent menu on the control center. Even the interface is also quite fast. I don't see any bugs as of now, and it's running on my beautiful iPad Air M2 13-inch model. Let's see the other differences that we see on the widgets and also the transparent way of a bubble kind of interface. Apple is now involving bubble interface as like Vision OS, even on multiple operating systems, multiple devices, even iOS 26, iPad OS 26, as well as Mac OS 26 Tanhoi. Now we are able to see the features also good. The system is good. I'm opening multiple windows here, and I can see like a drag and drop facility is also available. I can stack all my windows, as you can see here, anywhere on the screen, just like a Mac laptop. And when I can see cascaded windows, I can open multiple windows. I open 3 windows over here, one on top of another. And when I click on this particular icon, you can see the Mac kind of interface with the into, minus and maximize button, red, yellow and green. Amazing, isn't it? As you can see, iPadOS is getting closer to Mac OS day by day, and one day maybe iPadOS can replace Mac OS, or iPad device can replace your Macintosh laptop. Yes guys, I have a 13-inch iPad Air M2. Maybe one day it might replace your Mac laptop, and you can see the interface is also pretty good. I'm changing the interface by customizing the icons as well. It supports dark, white, transparent, as well as tinted. Let's explore the different options available. As you can see here, I'm trying to select the customization options, and once I move the screen, you can see the main window is on the right side. It is getting stacked automatically, and I can drag and drop multiple places, as you can see, just like a Mac OS operating system. Let us try to customize it now, and let's go to settings. As you can see here, most of the settings are appropriate. Wallpaper, light, dark. Also it supports different type of icons as well. Let us explore the icons. I'm customizing the icons now. When you click on customize, it gives you options light, dark, and as well as clear. Clear is nothing but your transparent. As you can see, all icons have become transparent with a lighter note. All the colors have been removed, and transparent icons are visually appealing as well. You can change the color of the transparency by going for tinted model, light, dark. Similarly, wallpaper also can be changed accordingly to your needs by changing it to light or dark. And the transparent icons are almost like translucent, a kind of bubble. As you can see here, the whole OS itself is bubble. The moment I open any window on top of another window, I can see the underlying windows like a bubble. See that? How beautiful it is, isn't it? That is one of the great features. Similarly, control center also gives you bubble interface. The whole menu system is amazing, guys. The most important thing I liked is control center, as well as day by day. As you can see, widgets are getting added, and moreover, day by day iPadOS is coming closer to Mac OS, guys. Yes, you heard it correct. iPadOS is getting closer to Mac OS. You can see the drag and drop of the widgets as well, the control center, and I can drag and drop the icons on the widgets on the lock screen as well. Whole icons have become transparent now. Very beautiful, guys. The bubble look of the weather interface, as you can see here, the weather display and the calendar display, both of them are looking amazing. When I can add additional icons as well. All the icons have become transparent or translucent. Really amazing, isn't it? and the overall the UI is also very fluid, guys. I'm telling you, the first beta, that too a pre-release first beta, is very fluid, running on Mac, running on the iPad, Air M2 Mini, 13-inch model. I'm sorry, it's iPad Air. iPad Air M2, 13-inch iPad. Pretty smooth interface, guys. Amazing interface, as you can see here. Beautiful translucent icons welcomes everyone to explore the new interface of the beautiful iPadOS 26. Really, guys, the nomenclature has changed now. Earlier it was iPadOS 18.5. Now it directly shifted to iPadOS 26 to resemble the year 25-26 as this particular version which supersede 25 to 26. You can see here I'm just dragging the icons, translucent icons, and the widgets are also transparent. I'm running multiple windows here. When I click on the item on the title bar of any window, you can see the red, amber, and green. Similarly to a Mac OS operating system. And also file menu, guys. Every application has got a menu now on the top, similar to Mac OS. As you can see here, I'm traversing the menus. I can change the menu settings and so on for the particular application. Let's open other applications as well. See what the menus are showing up, just like a Mac OS. Really amazing. These are the multiple features I feel very great for the iPadOS coming up as we prolong to the new beta version 1 and 2. As we go to release candidate 1 and 2, we might see more number of features. You can see the beautiful menu structure over here for the My Movie, similar to the completely like a Mac OS, guys. So if you have a docking system, you can dock your iPad, beautiful iPad, M2 13-inch, and use it like a laptop. If you have a keyboard cover, you can see the shopping website also has got the menu here. Safari browser has got the menu, almost similar to Mac OS. I hope you like this video. We will see more and more features as we unfold this beautiful iPadOS 26, guys. Stay tuned to our channel, Himalayan Chronicles. Love, like, share, subscribe to our beautiful channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Enjoy your iPadOS 26. If you have any silicon iPads, you can go ahead and install it. Thanks for watching.